Happening now, AG Merrick Garland giving opening remarks before the Senate Judiciary Committee expected to answer a number of questions from senators.
That's right. We've just outlined earlier the opening remarks there from the ranking member in the chair. Line of questioning could change. Could answers change from the AG? Got a lot of I don't knows in the House Judiciary Committee. We may see some more accountability. Only time will tell. Joining us for reaction is former New York Congressman Peter King, constitutional law attorney Seth Berenzweig, and Mike Yoder. Good to see everyone here. And thanks so much for coming on. Congressman King, this is something we talked about during the House hearing. We didn't see a lot of accountability, nor did we see a lot of answers from the AG. Do you expect this man differently today?
Well, he has no excuses. He can't continue to play dumb. And the fact that he seemed to know nothing about the school board situation, knew nothing about what was going on in Virginia. And to me, that was one of the most chilling statements that was ever sent out by the Justice Department when they would say they were going to use the FBI to monitor what happens at school board hearings, to try to intimidate people when they've done nothing about Antifa, nothing about Black Lives Matter, but they're going after innocent mothers and fathers who are worried about the education their kids are getting. That was chilling, and the fact that he claimed he knew anything about it, or he knew a little of this, a little of that, is shameful for the Attorney General. So he has no excuse now. He had a week to find out what's going on in the world.
Yeah. 19 House Republicans, they are calling on Merrick Garland to rescind that FBI memo in regards to the school board here. Seth, the senators have 2 more minutes than their House companions. Will we see more follow-up questions, more pressing on this controversial memo that, again, takes a closer look at parents and school boards?
There's no question that the school board memo is going to be a big deal and is going to come up a lot. This is a critical day for the Justice Department, and there's a question as to whether the Attorney General of the United States is going to stand his ground and maintain some credibility as to the rule of law and explain his actions. He needs to explain, and we'll see if he does, whether or not he can articulate a difference between the School Board Association letter that raised the Patriot Act and the Justice Department subsequently coming out and distinguishing that and saying that they're trying to address actual physical threats of violence to school board members and their children. Can the Attorney General make that case today and fight back and stand his ground? That's going to be a key question, because right now the Republicans are running rhetorical circles around the Democrats and the Justice Department. The Justice Department looks like a sleepy intellectual bureaucracy, and it's going to be crucial to see whether the Attorney General of the United States is able to stand his ground and articulate real responses to critical questions. So yes, this is going to be a big deal in the hearing today.